Double fried and dry rubbed, here's a recipe for the ultimate naked wing. The first step is to create your dry rub, and the best advice I can give you is to use fresh spices. They tend to dull in flavor over time, so using a fresh spice will give you a much more flavorful dry rub. To finish it off, we're going to add some fresh thyme and garlic. Grab your thyme and run your fingers down each stem to separate the leaves from it. Go ahead and toss the stems, then give the leaves a quick chop. Grab a few garlic cloves, clean them up, and give those a quick chop as well. The next step is to combine your wings with the dry rub. Give everything a good toss to make sure the wings are evenly coated, and then wrap your bowl in plastic or transfer them to a different container and place them in the fridge overnight to chill. As your wings rest overnight, they'll begin to inherit all those delicious flavors from the dry rub. And the longer you let those wings rest, the stronger their flavor will be. After 24 hours, take your wings out of the fridge and rinse them off under some cold water. Then place them in a container and make sure they're pretty dry. That's important before we start frying the wings. Also, a public service announcement, make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly after handling raw chicken. If you don't, you can get pretty sick. We're going to double fry our wings, so the target temperature for the first round of frying is about 225 degrees. A word of caution here, make sure that you only fill the pot halfway with oil or else it will overflow when you start frying. Fry your wings until they hit an internal temp of 165 degrees, and then get them onto a tray and into the fridge to cool off. Total cook time should be about 6 to 8 minutes. While our wings are frying, let's go ahead and thinly slice some Serrano pepper and pick our cilantro. These two items will be the garnish set for the dish. Reheat the oil to a target temperature of 350 degrees. It can fluctuate, 10 degrees plus or minus, but 350 is the target. Now, once your oil is up to temp, go ahead and add your previously cooked and chilled wings into the oil and we'll begin the second cooking process. Your wings should cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until they hit an internal temperature of 165 degrees. At that point, you can take them out of the oil and get them into a bowl, then it's time to plate them up. We're going to finish our wings off with a drizzle of Mexican crema, our thinly sliced serrano peppers, and our picked cilantro leaves. If you can't find Mexican crema at the store, thin out some sour cream with a little bit of milk and that'll do the trick. Alright, that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. If it's your first time on my channel, take a look around. If you like it, consider hitting that subscribe button. There's also an alert button. If you click that, you'll get instant notifications when I post new content. That's it. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one.